Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to get the last purchase rate of the last 5 purchase order. So first we check the demo of the how to get the last purchase rate in the purchase order. So select the supplier, select the item code. Here you can see last purchase order and rate is coming properly with the date. Select the purchase order, so rate is coming properly. Select another item, so rate is coming properly. Select the purchase order, so here you can see rate is added in the rate field. So we have to first disable the client script, and also we have to delete the server script because we have to develop the new client script and new server script. Select the supplier, and so script is not working because we delete the server script. Now we have to create the new client script. First select the name, last purchased rate, enable the script, add purchase order item, refresh function, cdt, cdn. We have to set the item code. Now let item is equal to locals cdt cdn. Now we have to set the condition like if frm.doc.supplier and item code. Now we have to use the frappe call. Set the method. Get last purchase rate. Set the argues. Supplier frm.doc.supplier item code item code. Set the callback function of R. We have to set the condition like if R dot message. Let data is equal to R dot message. For the testing, we have to set the console log data. Let's create the server script. So open the server script, copy the name and paste the name. Select the script type API, copy the method. Now we have to get the item name and supplier name from the frappe call. So frappe dot from dict dot get supplier. Also we have to set for the item code. Now we have to use the frappe.db.sql for the get the last purchase rate. Select PO.name. Also we want purchase order date, so we have to check the field name. So copy the field name, PO.transaction date. Also we have to get the rate field name, so POI.rate from table purchase invoice, purchase order item. POI join purchase order PO on POI dot parents is equal to PO dot name, where POI dot item code is equal to percentage %s and PO dot supplier is equal to percentage %s order by PO dot transaction date. To copy the line descending, and we have to also set the limit because we want to get the last purchase rate. Item code supplier as a dict is equal to 1. We have to set the response, so frappe.response message is equal to rates. Save the server script. Let's reload the purchase order doc type. Open the console. Select the supplier. Select the item. Here you can see last 5 purchase order item rate is coming properly. Let's select the another item. Also is coming properly. Now we have to all the set rate in the dialog. So first comment the console line and add method like show rate dialog from. Also we want to get set the item and data. Function show rate dialog. So we have to use the Dialog API if you want to documentation of the Dialog API. So please check in the description. frappe.ui.dialog. Title last purchase rate of frm.doc.supplier. We have to set the dialog size large. Now we have to set the dialog fields to fields. Primary action label select. Also primary action value. Now we have to add the d.hide, and also we have to add the d.show. Now for the testing, we have to add the console log dot value. I think d.hide is in the wrong place. Save it. Okay, we have to define after console log d.hide. Now we have to set the field. So let's set the field in the dialog. So first we have to set the field name, rates, field type, table, because we have to first create the table and then after we added the field in the table. Set the cannot add row true. Also we have to set the cannot delete the row, because we have to set the read only table. In place edit true, because user can't be open the row, so we hide the edit button. Now we have to add the field in the table, so again we define the field. Copy the line, set the indentation, field name. Also we have to set the label, purchase order, set the option, purchase order, in list view, 1 read only, 1. Also we have to set the columns because our dialog is large, so set the column 3. Set the another field like date. Select the transaction date. Field type date. Remove the option. In list view 1, read only 1, column 2. Another, copy the code and paste it. Last purchase rate, field type currency, column 3. Update the console log. Also we have to define like data to data. Save the client script. Reload the purchase order. Select the supplier. Select the item. So last 5 purchase order rate is coming properly, but I think label is not coming. So we have to check in the client script. I think it's some spell mistake. Copy and paste it. Select the supplier. Select the item code. So label is coming properly. Also last purchase rate coming properly. Select the rate. So all rate are coming, but we have to set the only one item rate. Let's select the another item. CR dialog dot field. I think we have to select the field it. Because we want to get the selected row item rate. So grid dot get selected children. Select the row and enter it. So here you can see selected rate is coming properly. Now select the another row. So data is coming properly. So comment the console line and okay, we have to set the rate, selected item, and paste it. Now we have to set like if selected item length greater than 1, then set the frappe throw like you can only select the one row for last purchase, get the last purchase rate. Set the else condition. frappe.model.set value. item dot doc type, item dot name, we have to check the field name of the purchase order item, so it's a rate, and we have to set the rate from the dialog. So selected item 0 dot rate, save the client script, reload the purchase order, select the supplier, select the item code. So last purchase rate is coming properly. So when you select the multiple row, then throw the error. Now select the one row, so rate is coming properly. Select another item, select the row, so rate is coming properly. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for the watching this video.